Hello Year 1, it's nice to talk to you again. I've brought Sparky to say hello again. One little girl in Dolphins said that you were beautiful, Sparky. That's nice, isn't it? You are beautiful. I'm going to put Sparky down now and I'll bring him again at the end if I can find him. Okay? Today when we do our maths, I'd like you to join in as much as you can. If I ask any questions, I'd like you to try to answer them. You could talk to somebody who's with you at home, or you could talk to one of your toys and tell them the answer, or you can just pretend that I can hear you and say the answer to me. I hope you enjoy this maths. We're going to start our maths today with some counting. Have a look at the 100 square that's in front of you. We're going to start by counting in twos, starting at 0 and going all the way up to 50. Count with me. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Well done. Now we're going to count in fives, starting at 0, going up to 100. Count with me. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Well done, Year 1. And now we're going to count in tens, starting at 0 and counting to 100. Here we go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If you want to, you could pause the video here and count all of the numbers up to 100. You could even do them backwards if you want to. Today we're going to put some events, some things that have happened, in order to show when they happened. We're going to use the words before, after, and next to talk about when things happened. Before, after, and next. Ravi wrote down some things that he did yesterday evening. At 5 o'clock, he played with his toys. At 6 o'clock, he read some stories. At 7:30, he did his homework. At 8 o'clock, he got ready for bed. At 7 o'clock, he watched TV. At 6:30, he had a bath. At 8:30, he went to sleep. All these pictures and times are a bit mixed up, so have a good look and see if you can find out what did he do first. What did he do first? Well done. He played with his toys first. At 5 o'clock, he played with his toys. 5 is the first number on this screen. What did he do last? 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 What did he do last Well done. He went to sleep last. He went to sleep at 8:30. We can see in the middle that he got ready for bed at 8 o'clock. I know it's 8 o'clock because the long minute hand is pointing to the 12 and the short hour hand is pointing straight to the 8. At 8:30, he went to sleep. I know it's 8:30 because the long minute hand is pointing to the 6 and the short hour hand is between the 8 and the 9. It's 8:30. The hour hand has gone past the 8 and it's on its way to the 9. Now the pictures are in the right order. We can see that Ravi played with his toys first. What time was it when he played with his toys? That's right, it was 5 o'clock when he played with his toys. The long hand is pointing to the 12 and the short hour hand is pointing to the 5. What did Ravi do second? Well done. The second thing he did was to read some stories. At 6 o'clock in the evening, he read some stories. What did Ravi do third? That's right, he had a bath third. What time was it when he had his bath? Well done, it was 6:30. I know it's 6:30 because the long minute hand is on the 6. It's gone halfway on its journey round the clock. And the short hour hand is between the 6 and the 7. It's gone past the 6, but it hasn't got to the 7 yet. It's 6:30. What did Ravi do fourth? Well done, he watched TV fourth. He watched TV at 7 o'clock. What did Ravi do fifth? That's right, he did his homework. You can see him sitting at the table. What time was it when Ravi did his homework? That's right, it was 7:30. The long minute hand is pointing to the 6, so I know it's 7:30 something. And the short hour hand is between the 7 and the 8. It's gone past the 7. It hasn't got to the 8 yet. It's 7:30. What did Ravi do at 8 o'clock? That's right, he got ready for bed. You can see him going upstairs. And what did Ravi do at 8:30? Well done, he went to sleep. Let's practice some vocabulary, some words. Say these words after me. Next, before, after, o'clock, 8:30. At 7 o'clock, Ravi watched TV. What did he do next? That's right, he did his homework next. He did his homework at 7:30. He watched TV at 7 o'clock. Next, he did his homework at 7:30. At 6:30, Ravi had a bath. Look at the pictures at the bottom to help you now. What did he do before his bath? Well done. He read some stories before his bath. He read some stories at 6:00 and then he had a bath at 6:30. He read some stories before his bath. What did Ravi do after his bath? That's right, he watched TV after his bath. He watched TV at 7:00. He had his bath at 6:30 and then after that he watched TV at 7:00. This is Holly's timetable for Monday morning. A timetable tells us what will happen in the day. At 9:00, Holly has maths. At 9:30, Holly has reading. At 10:00, Holly has break. At 10:30, she has PE. At 11:00, she has spelling. Let's try to answer these questions together. What did Holly study? What did she do at 11:00? That's right, at 11:00 she did some spelling. What did she study at 9:30? Well done, at 9:30 she did some reading. If you look at the clock next to the reading book, it says 9:30. The long hand is on the 6, so I know it's 9:30 something. And the short hour hand is between the 9 and the 10. It's gone past the 9. It's 9:30. What did she have before break? Well done, she had reading before break. What did she have after break? Well done, she had PE after break. After PE, what did she have next? That's right, she had spelling next. Well done, Year 1. If you found any of this tricky, you could watch again and you could pause it and talk to somebody at home about it who might be able to help you. So I've interrupted Sparky from his sunbathing to come and say bye. Say bye, Sparky. Bye. You can go back outside now. Thank you for watching the video, Year 1. It would be lovely if you'd like to write or draw some of the things you've been doing in your day and put next to them the times that you've done them. So today I did the Joe Wicks workout at 9:00 this morning. I could have drawn a picture of myself doing the workout and drawn a clock showing 9:00 next to it. If you'd like to email your work into us, we'd love to see it. And I'm going to put some to-dos on Purple Mash as well to do with what we've just talked about. Keep sending your work in on Purple Mash. We love looking at it and we love reading what you've written. See you soon. Bye.